G'day, how's it going? Marky here, with Nature Time. You should check out what I found this time. Spider. Not just any spider. It's a brown spider. Check this out. Just moved me tyre, and right behind it, there's this big bloody spider. Now here in Australia, we don't fuck around with spiders. The best thing you can do with any spider that you can come across isn't to relocate it. Some people say don't touch them and leave them alone. I say fuck that. Wait, you little cunt. Yeah, now he's going to bite one of me kids for sure. That's why you fucking take him out, those little cunts. Sorry folks, I'll get him next time.